we going? Hi!
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we are going to explore Belfast or Northern Ireland, and our first destination is Game of Thrones Studio Tour. And as per tickets, we booked it online. I suggest visit bookings.gameofthronesstudiotour.com because it has a different price range and sometimes you can get some offers as well. And as you can see on this video, this is the waiting area. We are waiting for our shuttle, and by the way, it takes 10 minutes drive to go to the studio itself.
Look, no weapons, no pepper spray, no explosives, no sharp items.
Hi, Joe.
Hi, wait, the bus stop. Hello, Auntie Lynette.
Hi. Hi, Sophia. Are you ready for the tour?
Ready for it? Inside now.
Yeah, we're going in. Thank you. Now this is the shuttle. Do you want to go at the back? Let's go at the back. Mind your step.
After 10 minutes drive, we arrived in the studio itself, and as soon as you go into the entrance, there was a security check. So that means the place is safe. We started our tour queuing for the photographs. You can download it or you can print it out. And these are our photos.
Sorry, no filming.
Every pieces, props, and costumes you see in the studio were being used on the film. You can also find the Hall of Faces in the studio. It is the house's skinned faces of the dead. Our second destination is the dark Hedges. It is used as King's Road of the film Game of Thrones. It is where Arya Stark escapes from King's Landing.
Dako na dyan na. Don't cry. Nakuha ang luyo, ate.
Hello, it's me.
Our third destination is Giant Causeway. It's up to you if you want to go for a hike or to ride a shuttle. By the way, it's only 2 minutes ride going to the destination, and these are one of the best rock formation I've ever seen in Ireland. But we are very unfortunate because it was raining when we visit the place.
This is the only destination na wala nag-uwan, no? Cross me sa bridge. Ayaw jud pag-uwan kay mapahiya ta diri sa tong video. Carrick-A-Rede. Now we're going to buy our ticket here since we don't book online.
I want to see.
Are you excited to cross the bridge? The hanging bridge?
Yes.
So from that station, we have to walk for 20 minutes to reach the bridge. So good nagtaligsik, guys. Mahigit kayo. There's loads of people waiting. No. Oh my God. Laban. Ako'y gikulbaan. Ay, akong tinggi.
Oh no.
Kaya today. Kurug na. Oh my God. Oh my God. Queue again to go back. Good thing the bridge is quite short only. Find it. Good.
Are you okay?
Ate, how about you? There's the view at the left side. Wow. May evidence. Come on, go. Yay! Well done, guys.
end of our video exploring Belfast or Northern Ireland. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a like and drop a comment down below, and of course share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Till next time, ta-ta!